Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel RN Physics. So we have seen in the last video the photoelectric effect in which the electrons are coming out from the metal surface when a light is incident on it. And we have also seen some terminology like the work function, phi is equal to h nu naught, and the nu naught is the threshold frequency. At that frequency, electron break the bond with the nucleus and come out of from the metal surface. So when we applied this minimum amount of frequency, then and only then our electron are coming out of the metal surface. So this all concept we have seen in the last video. Now in this video we are going to see the experimental study of photoelectric effect. So this is my experimental arrangement of photoelectric effect, in which we have seen here it consisting of a glass tube, evacuated glass tube, and one special type of window known as a quartz window through which the light are coming into this glass tube, and the light is falling onto the material or a metal known as a photosensitive plate. और इस photosensitive plate को हम emitter भी कहते हैं. And when the light is incident on this emitter emits the electron. फोटोसेंसिटिव प्लेट एक स्पेशल टाइप की प्लेट होती है. अगर उस पर लाइट फॉल होंगी तो वो जैसे एक फोटोन आएगा, when one photon is coming, when this photon is incident on this photosensitive plate, this photosensitive plate emit one electrons, and this emitted electron were collected by the collector. This plate is my collector, this is my emitter, and this collector and emitter are connected by a wire. Here we see that there is my AC source and this is my micrometer. This is the experimental setup of photoelectric effect. When a light of a high frequency incident on emitter, electrons are ejected and these electrons are collected by the collector. Now we are going to see how this experiment is happening, how this collector is collecting the electron. Now you just see, this is my AC source. I am applying a positive charge here and negative charge here. This positive charge is because of this wire is accommodated here to this plate, और A वाला negative charge इस प्लेट पर आ जाएगा. Now you just see, जैसे लाइट फॉल हो जाएंगी फोटोसेंसिटिव प्लेट के ऊपर तो वहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिट होंगे, और इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज है नेगेटिव, और जैसे ही मैं ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज इस प्लेट को दे दूंगा तो व्हाट हैपन, one positive charge and one negative charge, there will be force of attraction. So that is why this electron is moving in a certain path and come and attracted to this plate, and this electron are accommodated on this plate, and because of that we are getting current, and this current is known as the photocurrent. We observed a current in microammeter known as the photocurrent. और जो भी ये प्रोसेस है फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन की प्रोसेस और फोटो करंट की प्रोसेस, वो काफ़ी फास्ट होती है. सो दिस इज द इंस्टेंट प्रोसेस विच हैपनिंग एट 10⁻⁹ सेकंड. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सी राइट नाउ what happen when I am giving the negative potential here, because this is my AC source. AC source is a sinusoidal having some positive part and some negative part. So when I am changing the polarity, now I am making the negative here and positive here. Now the collector plate is become negative and the emitter plate is become positive. तो अब क्या होगा, जैसे ही हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐसे इमिट होगा, अब इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज नेगेटिव है और इस प्लेट का चार्ज भी नेगेटिव है. So because of this, what is going to happen when one negative charge and another negative charge are trying to come each other, they will repel each other. Even if हम collector को negative charge दे दे, but the electron having the large number of or more kinetic energy, they can able to cross this barrier, the negative barrier, and they will able to reach the collector plate. हमें इस वक्त करंट मिलेगा बट काफ़ी कम अमाउंट पे करंट मिलेगा. वी विल गेट अ लेसर करंट. बट अगर मैं इस नेगेटिव पोटेंशियल को थोड़ा और बढ़ा दूं तो एक सर्टेन टाइम ऐसा आएगा कि नो इलेक्ट्रॉन आर एबल टू क्रॉस द बैरियर. उस सर्टेन पोटेंशियल को हम बोलते हैं स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल, एंड दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय, दिस स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल इज डिनोटेड बाय V0. So From here we will going to see one relation. This stopping potential is equal to the maximum kinetic energy of emitted electron, and from this we are going to write this equation, half mv square is equal to E into V naught, where V naught is my stopping potential, E is the magnitude of electron charge, V is the maximum velocity of emitted electron, and m is the mass of the electrons. And now we have seen in the last lecture that we have one relation, K max is equal to E minus phi. K max is the kinetic energy, half mv square. So I can write from this, half mv square is equal to E minus phi. Again, where half mv square is nothing but E into V naught. So E into V naught is equal to E minus phi. This is the relation in terms of stopping potential. So we have seen two formulas today. One is the kinetic energy and the stopping potential relation, and another the EV naught is equal to E minus phi. When we increasing the negative potential at a particular time, this electron are not able to reach this collector plate, and this potential is known as the stopping potential. And as we increasing the stopping potential, the amount of current is going to decrease. So next we are going to see the graphical study of photoelectric effect.